Going on, guys? Today a little bit of a trashy conditions, but shoot, any day of fishing is better than no day of fishing. But head down here, hopefully we can get into some pike. Just got a small bag, one pole, one reel, a little bit of muddy water conditions. Hopefully a little rattle in here can get them all riled up. But let's throw a line in. Got Pops with me, let's get it going. All right, well, nothing too crazy here. Got myself on a little bit of a little rattler on there, a little jerk bait. Hopefully get the attention of these big pike off the bank. Weather's kind of crappy though, but hopefully we can get in, land into some pretty decent sized fish. Which way you want to work, Dad? You want to go? You want to go that way? You can do that. Looks like it's gonna clear up anyway. Look, looks like it's clearing up. Looks like the sun's gonna come out, praise us with its glory. Work down the bank a little bit. Hopefully get into the shallow part. Hopefully we can get into something. Maybe that sun will help us out a little bit. I'm trying to find these pike, that's for sure. Decided to switch it up. Same minnow swimmer, but bargain bin, Bass Pro Shops lure. Good action on it. Hope we can see if we can put it right in front of them and get ourselves a fish. What in tarnation? Come here. Come here. Jeez. Let's put it right there. Grab it, put her up here, and we'll take it to the trash. What up, guys? Little update. Shoot, I'm thinking the water might be a little too stained for the action that we're looking for, so we're gonna relocate to another spot. Hopefully we can find some clear water and get into something big. Who knows? Like I said, trial and error. We tried here, water was just a little too muddy for what we're working with, but on to the next spot. All right, update on spot number 2. Went down the road. It's not as trash, not as muddy up that way, or down here I should say, as it was up there. But shoot, hopefully we can land into some pretty decent fish. I'm gonna throw a bait line in and shoot, see what I can do. Of course I wasn't recording, but I didn't even feel him hit. Of course I wasn't recording, but reeling it in just super slow. Jerking around. Shit, hell yeah. I don't even know how to grab these ones. Yeah, look at those chompers. Look at those chompers. Heck yeah. First spot.
Oh my god.
Look at those chompers on that. Look at the eyes.
Oh shit, that's fucking scary, dude. Where's your camera? Cool.
Cool. Nice little walleye action. Let him get on his way. Sweet. All right, let's talk about that last catch. That's honestly my first ever walleye in my entire life of fishing. Catching it on that little Bass Pro Shops minnow imitation, just jerking it around, really slow retrieve. But I didn't even know what it was at first. It caught me by surprise, but it didn't even hit. But hey, it is what it is. It's a good catch. Let him go. But yeah, I was super surprised. My first walleye ever, and I get into it like it's nothing. But yeah, let's keep on fishing and hopefully we can land into some more big fish.